are doing Sally Brown for our presentation. There's Peanut Person. Sally Brown is unique in all her own ways, and she is ignorant. She's always looking for answers, and she never really gets them right. She's lazy. One summer, she went to beanbag camp, and all she did was sit in beanbags the whole entire summer. She is imaginative. She's always coming up with her own answers for her questions, random stuff. Rude. She's never really nice, especially to Charlie Brown. She makes him do all of her homework for her. Boring. She really doesn't have adventures like some of the other characters do. Like Snoopy, he's always faking to be in an airplane. Bossy, she makes Chuck, or Charlie, do her work. And then desperate for all of her answers that she needs.
So here is a lot of facts about Sally. Sally has a lot of trouble at school. Charlie always does Sally's work. Sally has a speech and a writing contest. Sally has a crush on Randy.
We will get more on the front of Linus in a second.
And Sally doesn't like Snoopy.
Okay. Sally and Snoopy have only worked together, or really hung out once.
Okay, so Sally has the biggest crush on Linus ever. She wants Linus to get rid of his security blanket because she doesn't like that he still has it. And Sally and Snoopy always try taking Linus's blanket away from him and throwing it away.
That's the time that Sally will hang out with Snoopy, is when they're trying to take Linus's blanket away. Sally has some interest. She slightly likes baseball, not all that much, a little bit. She loves to sit in her beanbag chair and watch TV. It is her favorite pastime. And she was in this snow league thing with a bunch of snowmen. Yeah.